staring at it and rubbing on it isn't going to make it go off sooner. It's on a timer. Hey! You know it comes out at the same time every day. It's not affected by your protestations. If you knock it over, it'll come out. Don't do that though. It'll go off soon, I promise.
One eternity later.
I don't know what's going on either, Colin. You're right, it is supposed to be going off right now. Did you press the button? There it goes. I told you it was going to come out soon.